Ladies and gentlemen, a very good afternoon. Now, I'm Rakesh Sharma from Chitkara University. एक थोड़ा सा किस्सा शेयर करता हूँ. 14th October 2019, कोविड से पहले, the 14th, His Holiness दलाई लामा जी हमारे कैंपस में आए. And I think it was very, very spiritual day for us. And he have a good concept of happiness center. एक कहानी वहाँ से शुरू होती है. हैप्पीनेस डे आ रहा है, तो मैं मुलाकात कराता हूँ आपकी मानव बंसल से. मानव, वेलकम.
थैंक यू सो मच सर. थैंक यू.
कैसा लग रहा है तेरे राकेश शर्मा के शो में आने के?
एक ख्वाब था, आज पूरा हुआ.
मानव, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, यू नो, ऑन अ सीरियस नोट, कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स. वेरी फ्यू यूनिवर्सिटीज, आई एम नॉट सेइंग राइट कि और यूनिवर्सिटी में नहीं होगा. वेरी फ्यू यूनिवर्सिटी कैन रियली बोस्ट दैट दे हैव अ चीफ हैप्पीनेस ऑफिसर. And I put in 13 years here, and अब बाल भी सफ़ेद हो गए. You are best suited for this job, right? Now, what is happiness for you?
Sir, happiness for me is being myself. I think everyone on this planet is unique, but to find that uniqueness is a task because there are a lot of distractions in this world. So I feel happiness is being yours. Like right now, you're sitting in the way you want to sit. You are smiling the way you want to smile. You are talking the way you want to talk. You are not copying any protocol कि हाँ मुझे ऐसे बोलना है. Yes, you have general etiquettes, but on the top of it, you are expressing the way you want to. I am talking the way I want to. So when you live the way you want to, you are happy. So I think being yourself is happiness.
Being yourself is happy. मतलब जैसा जो है
आपके अंदर.
और there are 8 billion people.
Yes.
I think everybody is unique.
Everybody is unique.
So that is one.
Yes.
तो happiness को now, so that means happiness is different for everybody.
Absolutely.
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 तो now कैसे now you met so many people and all, right?
Yes.
तो how you feel people define happiness? तेरे को मैं समझ आ गया कि यार मैं तो ऐसे हूँ, मैं ऐसे रहता हूँ, मैंने कोट पहनना है, मैंने ऐसे बात करनी है, मैंने डांस करना है, right? I have to live my life, I have to play badminton, I have to live for the moment. What you think? How people are defining happiness?
That's a very good question, sir, which you have asked. Sir, people define their happiness in boxes, and those boxes there are a lot of boxes which is common for all. Like one box is achievement.
Okay.
That so-called achievement. If I will do this, I will have such a kind of money, salary, maybe some relationships, maybe travel, maybe having certain things in my life which will make me happy. So people have defined their happiness in boxes.
Okay.
So, but
गलत तो नहीं है वो, ठीक है.
But what I want to add here is, those things happen automatically once you are happy. Those all things are expression of happiness. They are not required for happiness. There's a difference. It is expression. Right now, if I'm happy, I am so happy. I want to share my energy with people, so I will have good relationships. I'm so happy that I want to do well in my life. I will be successful. I'm so happy that I want to travel. That is out of my happiness, not that I will go there and I will fetch happiness out of it.
So what you're telling me is process is important.
Process is important.
Process. Not end result.
Not end result.
अच्छा, then why people are unhappy यार?
Beautiful.
है ना? Unhappy क्यों है फिर? अगर इतना सिंपल है, अब तूने हमने इतना सिंपल बोल दिया, मैं अनहैप्पी क्यों होता हूँ? वाइफ से लड़ाई होती है, अनहैप्पी हो जाता हूँ. कभी कोई डांट पड़ेगी ऑफिस में, मैं अनहैप्पी हो जाता हूँ. ये अनहैप्पी क्यों होते हैं फिर?
सर, बहुत अच्छा क्वेश्चन पूछा आपने. अनहैप्पी इसलिए हो जाते हैं क्योंकि सर हमने रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी नहीं ली हुई अपनी हैप्पीनेस की. आपने अभी अपनी आप यू आर अ रजिस्ट्रार ऑफ द यूनिवर्सिटी. यू हैव टेकन द रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ऑफ बीइंग अ रजिस्ट्रार. That's why you are able to play that role. So the answer is the people have not taken the responsibility of being happy. That is why they are unhappy. It's a responsibility.
मतलब आपने
responsibility.
You have to be happy.
You have to be happy.
Irrespective whatever.
मैंने रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी लिया है. सुबह उठता हूँ मैं, मेरी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी मुझे खुश रहना है. It is not कि out of fluke.
अच्छा, okay. So tell me your routine, चल यार. Routine बता. So is there a routine? Normal routine.
Normal routine. Sir, I wake up by my own choice. I don't put any alarm. So that is my first thing. I never wake up by alarm. I want कि जब मेरी आँख खुले तब खुलूँ, मैं जागूंगा.
जब आँख खुली वहीं सवेरा.
हाँ, मेरा वो मेरी हैप्पीनेस है कि मैंने अपने आप को कंडीशन नहीं किया बाय अलार्म. तो that is my way to wake up. And normally I wake up between 5 to 7:30.
ठीक है.
So that is depending on day to day. So whenever I wake up, I will wake up and I will have a library. So my first tradition is having a cup of tea along with my book. So the
सुबह ही?
Subah, sir.
Oh, lovely.
That is my routine. And there's a diary. I write how I want to live my day. What is my vision of the day?
हर रोज लिखते हैं?
Every day. मैं अब आज मैं सुबह उठ गया, भगवान ने मुझे अवसर दिया जीने का एक दिन. मैं आज क्या करूंगा आज के दिन में, मेरी फीलिंग क्या है, मेरा इमोशन क्या कहता है, मुझे आज के दिन को बेहतरीन कैसे बनाना है. तो आई विल राइट द वे माई हार्ट सेज ऑन दैट डे.
5:30 whatever 6
Whatever, whenever I wake up.
ठीक है.
So one I write, one I read, and I just spend some time with myself, with my breath. And this is just for 30-45 minutes. I start my day with a cup of my tea. This is the way I start my, and that first 30 to 1 hour is the best time of my day because I set my intention very clear. This is my day.
टॉस कर ली तूने.
मैंने हाथ में ले ली रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी. मैं ऐसे जीऊंगा, मैं आज जाऊंगा राकेश सर से मिलना, ये करना है. दिस इज द वे आई विल लीड माई डे. आई वांट टू प्ले, आई वांट टू दिस. आई हैव विजुअलाइज द डे इन माई हेड. Now what will stop me? I have decided.
Okay. तो तूने एक विजुलाइज कर लिया.
विजुअलाइज कर लिया.
बट वैसा कभी कभी होता नहीं.
बिल्कुल सही.
मतलब तूने विजुलाइज कर दिया है कि तुझे मिलना है, खेलना है, क्रिकेट मैच खेलूंगा, पर क्रिकेट मैच नहीं हो रहा है तो पंगा हो गया.
और आउट भी हो सकते हो सर. क्रिकेट मैच में होता है कि मैं
पहली बॉल पे जाके आउट
हो गए. बिल्कुल सही कह रहे हो.
फिर क्या होगा?
तो मैं सर हमेशा मैं रेडी रहता हूँ इस चीज के लिए. मेरा मेंटली प्रिपेयर किया हुआ कि मैं वो कर रहा हूँ विजुअलाइजेशन. इट मे वर्क, इट मे नॉट वर्क, बट आई हैव माई प्लान ऑफ द डे सेट. सो व्हेनेवर इट डजंट वर्क, I'm okay with it. First of all, that mindset is there. I'm okay with it. I'm ready to fail but I will always have my plan ready.
Plan है.
मेरा plan है. अब हम यहाँ आए, podcast करना है, plan है. If it happens, well, okay.
Correct.
But if it doesn't happen, okay.
Okay.
I'm not a god. I'm human. So being human is sir always ready to fail.
Okay. अच्छा थोड़ा आगे बढ़ाते हैं. I hope तेरे को एक इंसिडेंट बता देता हूँ. When you got selected चितकारा में, तो HR में जा रहा था.
Yes.
तो पता नहीं मधु मैम ने तेरे में क्या देखा जो हम सब नहीं देखा. तो चीफ हैप्पीनेस ऑफिसर बन गया है. एंड आई थिंक दैट्स वन ऑफ द बेस्ट डिसीजन तेरे. अच्छा नाउ लेट्स मूव फॉरवर्ड. एज अ चीफ हैप्पीनेस ऑफिसर, राइट, व्हाट आर यू डूइंग इन योर डोमेन to make student happy or faculty happy or your colleague happy, you know?
But there are a lot of things. So I
practical.
So the first thing, sir, is every student when it comes, when he meets me, I accept him the way he is. I don't judge him. This is the first thing.
Achha.
And every student loves that kind of way that person. I'm not judging the way he is, his looks, his way of clothing, the way of speaking. I am just talking to him. I'm listening to him and what he has in his heart or her heart. He's speaking to me. I'm listening. I think this one thing is the best thing for giving happiness to anyone.
Anybody.
Accept and listen.
एक्सेप्ट एंड लिसन.
बस
ये फर्स्ट है.
ये फर्स्ट है सर. मैं सबको सुनता हूँ, सबको एक्सेप्ट करता हूँ, बच्चे से मिलता हूँ, उसको अच्छा लगता है, वो हैप्पी हो जाता है. तो सिंपल. आई एम नॉट ट्राइंग वेरी हार्ड टू मेक पीपल हैप्पी, टू बी ऑनेस्ट. इट इज हैपनिंग नेचुरली and it is happening naturally. This is the feeling I am sharing. Accept and listen. And then the second thing which I do very mindfully, like by.
पर यार listening तो बड़ी difficult नहीं होती. मतलब यार अपने तो कैसे करते हैं? मतलब how it's very easy to say listen. Most of us are very bad listeners.
I think
most
sir,
of us.
That's a very deep thing in me because in my early age when I was young, I was the one who always want to say my thing, but I didn't get people to listen to me. So I always see myself in the other student that he is me or she is me. I always see Manav. I always see Manav.
तेरे को audience नहीं मिल रहा था.
हाँ मुझे उस time I was not a very like the way I am right now. I was a very you can say low on confidence when I was in school, not speaking much, always having my self doubts when I was young, and I'm not shy away to share that because that is why my journey started. And I always remember that somewhere there is Manav in everyone. I want to deal with that Manav. Maybe that time the teacher was not there to deal with that Manav, but today God has given me opportunity. I can handle a Manav who is in front of me. So I see myself in other person.
ये तेरा emotional side तो मैंने पता नहीं किया था.
So this is me, sir. And that is why I'm able to connect also.
Okay, perfect.
And the second thing, sir, we do very mindfully is you must be knowing that we have a course, the happiness course, which I have. So I deliver that. It is a 5-week course. Every student come to all the interested students come there. I talk about a lot of things. I can count something gratitude. That is one very important thing.
उस पे आते हैं. There are a lot of courses under happiness, right? 28
sir clubs we have.
28 clubs.
So all clubs are manifestation of happiness. You are able to express yourself in the way you want to, and for every category we have different clubs. Like we have public speaking. If you want to speak more, we have public speaking.
नहीं इसका क्लब का मेजर कॉन्सेप्ट क्या है?
Yeah.
To engage in activity. मतलब one line क्या है?
Sir, one line is if student wants to do something, he has a platform to do that.
अच्छा तो how is related to happiness?
Because you are able to do what you want to do.
Okay, fine.
we are giving a platform and happiness. मैंने first क्या बोला था? Happiness is being yourself.
तो इसका मतलब जिसको ड्राइंग करनी है तो ड्राइंग
करे,
जो
बिल्कुल।
भगा रहा है वो भागे,
जो रनिंग है भागे, जो
जिसको
पढ़ना
cycling करना है,
चाहता है, तो
पढ़े।
मैं उसको प्लेटफॉर्म दे रहा हूँ, एक क्लब दे रहा हूँ, बच्चे इकट्ठे हो रहे हैं, लाइक माइंडेड बच्चे इकट्ठे हो रहे हैं, वो लोगों को बुला रहे हैं बाहर से खुद, बाहर जा रहे हैं खुद, यहाँ इवेंट कर रहे हैं खुद।
ये बता, जो बच्चे क्लब मैनेज कर रहे हैं, तो दैट इज द बेस्ट वे टू डू अ थिंग।
Absolutely, because they are learning while doing.
Okay.
And when you learn while doing, sir, it's amazing. And I can't do that which a student can do, sir. Because one student do for themselves, इतना amazing output आता है, उसको learn भी मिलता है और उसको happiness भी आती है, उसको मजा भी आता है.
अच्छा, now 22 club, right?
28.
28. Tell me about any two clubs which are close to your heart. Any two.
Sir, reading and running are close to my heart.
अच्छा, reading.
And happiness also, because that is happiness in me. So 3 I will say: reading, running, happiness.
रीडिंग का थोड़ा बता, मतलब for my audience.
So reading club, sir, we have 100 odd students in that club. So how they do, every week they get together. They all are reading one book per month. पहला protocol.
मतलब एक ही बुक पढ़ रहे हैं कि
नहीं, every month they are choosing one new book.
Every
We have a
month.
library.
ठीक है।
150 books are there in library.
हाँ।
So they are choosing one book.
हाँ।
They are taking that book. One book per student is reading every month.
ठीक है, हो गया।
So उससे, and once they read it, we have an event. They are sharing what they have learned, and we are all together. They are reading, and then what best part of it is, the books which they are owning and which they are feeling very much कि इसमें बहुत कुछ है, they are gifting it to the other club member.
अच्छा, okay.
They are exchanging the books.
अच्छा, okay.
The books are getting exchanged.
And
The
one
other
is-
person is reading. So one is every month one book
तो इसे-
sharing
and sharing.
and sharing. This is the color of that
तो
book.
this is one group.
हाँ.
What about that
Running.
हाँ.
Running, sir, we are every Sunday, without fail, the running group is going for running. And it is happening across the Chandigarh, different areas we choose, sometimes Sukna Lake, sometimes Sector 17. So a bus is going every Sunday from here. So it is now without fail, every Sunday.
100 मतलब 50-60
50 से 100 बच्चा भागने जाता है.
कोई आए ना आए, we are on our own and we are running.
हाँ, बिकॉज मेंबर है सर,
हम 50 हैं,
50 से 100 मेंबर्स हमारे जाते हैं, जाएंगे रन करेंगे, वो मॉर्निंग हवा, वो नेचर, वो फीलिंग, that is amazing. So running, it doesn't only not running. Running is that morning vibe.
Okay.
That feeling of
And
being with,
what time you go normally?
Sir, normally bus goes at 5:30. They start run at 6:30. Around 8:30 they end. They 9:30 they are back.
9:30. अच्छा, the wonderful. तो similarly you have meaning.
हाँ.
अच्छा, इससे पहले मैं भूल जाऊँ तो कोई ये क्लब ना का
Vipassana, yeah. One of the best times of my life.
क्या
It
हुआ
was a 10 days meditation retreat. I went to Rajasthan. So there you can't speak for 10 days. And
Not speaking.
Not at all. When you start, that was the last word I have uttered. And after 10 days, I regained my speaking power.
10 दिन कुछ बोला ही नहीं.
एक word भी नहीं.
10
So,
दिन?
10 दिन. And I have to submit my phone to them. So no phone, no person to talk to. It's total, you are with yourself. And morning from 4 a.m. to 9 p.m. there was a schedule. And you can eat at 2 times, one at 6:30 and one at 11:30 in the morning. So after 11:30 in the morning, you can't eat anything because it's a procedure, it's a meditation. You can't eat much. In the evening, there was a tea.
Okay.
But the procedure was so beautiful.
एक्टिविटी क्या थी? जब बात ही नहीं कर रहे तो what
Sir,
activity?
it's complete meditation. From morning 9 to 6, one session, 6:30 is the breakfast, then again 7:30 to 9, 9 to 11, then the lunch, then 1 or 2 rest time, 2 to 4, then 5 to 7, then 7 to 9. 2 hours meditation.
क्या कराते थे meditation?
Meditation means, sir, they teach you the technique of watching your own breath first, watching your own sensations. Right now you are sitting, you are each and every part of your body is, if you give awareness, you will feel something. If you just put your attention to your leg right now, and you will feel that some sensation is there in your leg, some sensation is there in your foot, some sensation is there in your hand. So watching these sensations is meditation. Once you are watching these sensations, you will get into a different space. That space is of no mind, no thoughts, and then you recharge your battery. So for example, if you can spend 10 minutes
तो पहले इतना चार्ज अप
charged up, but I just want to experience this Vipassana because this was on my mind for so long. But this has given me additional something by which I am able to feel something more.
तो मानव before Vipassana, after Vipassana,
What has changed?
What has changed? Any two qualities?
Sir,
Essay type में.
I feel Manav before Vipassana still look something out of me for happiness. Maybe he was looking for something out of me. Maybe I am dependent on you for
To
happiness, that
compliment.
Rakesh sir will give me some compliment and I will be very happy. I'm looking for that. Somewhere I am now more happy from my inside rather than getting validation or rather than looking for happiness from outside. That also was
मैं
there.
बोलूँ मानव कुछ नहीं ज्यादा किया तो नॉट
तो मतलब ये मुझे कम इफेक्ट करेगा, ये कह सकता हूँ मैं. दिस इज आउटपुट.
पर फिर ये बोलता रहूंगा कि
कर सकते हो पर कुछ कम इफेक्ट करेगा. तो है सर, आई विल स्ट्रांगली रिकमेंड टू द ऑडियंस इफ यू एंड इट इज सर द बेस्ट पार्ट इज इट इज कंप्लीटली फ्री. So it is they are not.
कहाँ पर होता है? कहाँ पर होता
है? So it is happening across the world. You will go to www.dhamma.org. You will find all the centers in India. There are a lot of centers abroad also.
तो
every country.
पर 10 दिन का है?
10 दिन का.
अच्छा, ओके. मानव, एक तेरे बारे में बड़ी बात फेमस है. जब हम लीडरशिप समिट में जा रहे थे.
I think I'm laughing in, but nobody has forgotten it. I don't know why.
Why should you forget? तेरे साथ
so many years.
तेरा बेस्ट हाफ तेरे साथ बैठे हुए थे. तो तू बड़ा स्ट्रेसफुल नजर आ रहा है. क्या तो बाय डिजाइन था? उस दिन लड़ाई हुई थी, क्या हुआ था?
It's very difficult to comment on it because on the camera. but
it's all open.
It's all open because I think, to be very honest, I was not. There was a function at my home, so I didn't sleep that night. But हुआ क्या? I didn't sleep at all. I straight away come to pick the bus. So that's the truth. So हुआ क्या? That I just slept and. That sleep is still in the
alive.
Alive. Everyone thinks that I was quiet because of my better half, but yes, to be honest, the impact is always there. Being honest, the impact is always there. You always,
just joking. अच्छा, Geetika, I met her.
Yeah.
She's a very quiet, wonderful girl. Unlike you, not that I'm not judging anyone.
Yeah.
She's a very quiet girl. She listens more and very patient. तेरा पर energy level तेरा थोड़ा hyper है. Possibly you are more expressive. How it's working out?
So by God's grace, it's working very beautifully because I have a partner who loves to listen and I am the one who loves to talk. So it's like we both are satisfied from each other because she is getting more. I love to talk. I love to dance. I love to express myself. I love to this energy which is flowing from me. I'm not doing this, to be honest. It is happening out of me. Something is there in me. I have not. To be honest, it's there.
अच्छा, मानो इससे पहले you had a 8-10 साल का experience with her.
I have 17 years of experience before joining Chitkara in HR.
HR.
Yeah.
So there was not happiness there that side.
I was director HR, sir. Last position was director HR. I shift from HR to happiness when I joined.
So how was that?
Transition.
You're enjoying that time also. Your happiness come thi.
So that was a professional life. I was working for money. I was enjoying, but that was a life which everyone lives. I think that.
वो 9 से 5 वाला.
No, वो सब दुनिया को में सिखाया गया कि हमें पहले पढ़ना है, फिर हमें नौकरी करनी है और हमें नौकरी करनी है.
हाँ, पैसा भी कमाना
है और उसको मैं enjoy करता था. But now I live my dream. This was my dream.
So this is your purple face.
This is my purpose. This is my ikigai. Like लोग कहते हैं ना 50 के बाद रिटायर होऊंगा तो ये करूंगा. मैं वो कर रहा हूँ.
अच्छा.
जो मैंने करना था. हाँ, मतलब मैं जो कर रहा हूँ, जिस तरह आपसे इंटरेक्ट कर रहा हूँ, मिलता हूँ लोगों को, बच्चों की लाइफ में कंट्रीब्यूट कर रहा हूँ, हर कलर लाइफ का जी रहा हूँ. कुछ भी कलर नहीं छूट रहा. रीडिंग है, राइटिंग है, मतलब कुछ भी नहीं. आई एम अबाउट टू कंप्लीट माई PhD in happiness. In the next convocation, I will get a degree. So that was also my dream. I fulfilled here. I am writing my book. Very soon you will see my book. I am writing on happiness. So that is also in the process.
इतना टैलेंट कहाँ छुपा के रखा हो तुमने?
नहीं छुपाया नहीं. I think I always share.
ये बुक का तूने बताया नहीं?
But it is in the process. Very soon you will find the book on happiness because it is there in me to share. Because sir, I always remember one thing. This is also my secret of happiness. That when I die, this is maybe for some people they will think, die. Why achieve happiness officer talking of death? But I tell you honestly, that is the secret of my happiness. I remember death. I always know I will go one day. So that phase, ना nothing bothers me much. अगर मुझे कोई आगे बोल भी देगा ना कुछ, तो मुझे लगता है मर जाना यार. तो अगर एक दिन मर ही जाना है तो क्या फर्क पड़ता है. और ये मुझे पता है एक चीज, सीक्रेट ऑफ लाइफ, that if you are doing something bad, I don't have to do anything about it. Existence will take care of itself. Okay, existence का ये सर have principle. If I do good, I will have good. Simple. So even if you करनी वैसी, जैसे आप मुझे गाली भी निकालोगे ना सर, I will not think bad for you. I will at the end because I'm a human being. तो आएगा मन में. अगर आप मुझे आप गलत बोलोगे तो मेरे मन में मैं क्या करता हूँ, मैं blessing करके छोड़ देता हूँ आपको. मैं बोलता हूँ God bless him. I will bless you before I sleep. Even if 5 people will hurt me, I will bless all those 5 before I sleep. I will say.
और नेक्स्ट से तो मिलेगा कोई दिन में?
मैं बिल्कुल वैसे मिलूंगा एनर्जी से, पर मैं उनको ब्लेस करूंगा. ब्लेस करने से आपको नेगेटिविटी नहीं रहती सर. आप कभी देखना कि if you bless those.
अच्छा, ओके. अभी you went for the sister शिवानी वाला सेशन. तो क्या any one pointer क्या देगा?
रिमोट कंट्रोल अपने हाथ में रखो लाइफ का. उसने कहा कि
क्या explain
अगर
करो?
आपने बोला कि यार मुझे किसी ने हर्ट किया, ये आपने किसी को और रिमोट कंट्रोल दे दिया, नो बडी कैन हर्ट यू विदाउट योर परमिशन।
Oh,
ही
no.
सेड हमेशा कंट्रोल आपके हाथ में। किसी ने आपको बोला हर्ट हुआ तो पता क्या बोलो, आई हर्ट माई सेल्फ बिकॉज राइट नाउ आई फील आई एम हर्टिंग, मतलब आई एम फीलिंग दैट इमोशन ऑफ मे बी नेगेटिविटी, बट नो, शी हैज नॉट हर्ट, शी हैज सेड सम वर्ड्स,
ओह अच्छा,
शी हैज सेड सम वर्ड्स, बट आपको वो वर्ड लग गए, पर ये आपको लग गए, अभी आप प्रोसेस में हो, मे बी फॉर सम टाइम आफ्टर आप वो नहीं लगेंगे, पर किसने लगाए वो वर्ड? तुमने। तो इवन इफ यू आर हर्ट, नोबडी इज हर्टिंग यू, यू आर हर्टिंग योरसेल्फ। दैट इज द, कुछ भी हो रहा आप क्रिएटर हो, आप ही हो सब।
अच्छा।
आपको जो लाइफ में हो रहा है, यू आर द क्रिएटर। रिमोट कंट्रोल अपने हाथ में रखो।
मतलब सिंपल, अभी ये करते हैं, व्हाट नेक्स्ट
इन माई लाइफ,
नहीं हैप्पीनेस सुने अभी, व्हाट इज नेक्स्ट स्टेप इन हैप्पीनेस, व्हाट यू
सर आई वांट टू सर्व द कंप्लीट वर्ल्ड, सो आई एम अबाउट टू,
नहीं ये दिस इज अ गुड इंग्लिश वर्ड,
ना हैप्पीनेस विलेज, हैप्पीनेस विलेज इज इन माई माइंड। यू विल
क्या बोलेगा आपने?
हैप्पीनेस विलेज में सर एक मैं कोई जगह यहाँ पर रिट्रीट्स जैसे हम जाते हैं, जैसे मैं गया विपासना में, वहाँ ऐसे एक हैप्पीनेस विलेज होगा जहाँ पूरी दुनिया से लोग आएंगे।
ओह लवली,
दिस इज माई इन माई विजन।
वहाँ पर मेडिटेशन ऐसे ही सब,
मेडिटेशन सब कुछ, नॉट मेडिटेशन, आई विल नॉट कॉपी पेस्ट एनीथिंग, इट विल बी माई ओन विजन ऑफ हैप्पीनेस जो मेरे मन में चलता है। लाफ्टर, स्माइलिंग, डांसिंग, हैविंग दिस थॉट प्रोसेस, आई हैव अ यूनिक थॉट।
मेरे को एंट्री है मतलब?
हाँ सर, आई विल इनवाइट यू। I will invite. So this is one. Book is second, which is there in my mind. Book will come, and third is happiness and laughter coach. You will see me online happiness and laughter coach, and I will have a website, and people from across the world, I will contribute into their happiness. So before I die, I want to make this world more happier.
No,
that is also a
wish
vision.
you
Maybe 150 years I will live, but I want to contribute in the happiness of the world.
Ladies and gentlemen, अभी मानव को आपने सुना होगा, his body language, all those who know body language, he was speaking his heart out, there was no script, he spoke what he felt, I think. Wonderful Manav, and it was a pleasure hosting you.
Thank you, sir.
I've also met, a lot of people, but I think you are one of the people, not that you are the only one, who really living the way they want to live. It's a privilege and an honor.
Thank you, sir. And before we part off, I want to say to everyone who is listening in this podcast that this is one person, Colonel Rakesh Sharma, whom I met when I came here. And sir, the way you contributed into my journey, I will be not grateful for whatever time I'm here or for my life, for my last breath. You have contributed in a big way, not to my life, but to everyone who is here. You are giving a beautiful energy. Thank you, sir.
मेरा podcast बात करेंगे.
Thank you everyone. Thank you, sir. Thank you.